Hello, this is going to be a little demonstration of what I'm doing. This is my now office. It's actually in my workshop. So, trying to show you all the things that are going on in here. These are the doors from my home, which of course I had to remove to have it painted. This is my workshop. This is the paperwork that I have been doing for over the last 3.5 months concerning Farmers Insurance Group, the bank fraud, U.S. Bank, Key Bank. This is all perpetrated by them, by those crooked people over the last 14 years. Farmers Insurance has had my information. So here's some books that I just purchased. These are the Ringing Cedars of Russia books. Compliments of Jessica. She mentioned these several times, so I thought I'd take a look at them. This is my little workshop here where I do metal fabrication. This is the Yoder power hammer. Purchased this in 2003. A friend of mine in California. We were working on AC Cobra bodies. This is another machine over here. Very specialized machine for bending and forming. Made in the 50s. This is my Miller welder, the Dynasty 300 TIG welder. My workbench, which is really a mess, unfortunately, since all of this operation happened on April 4th, 2010 with Farmers Insurance, the furnace backfire. This is my machine here that does all of my stamping and forming and cutting. This is a Pullmax machine made in Sweden. All the various dies that I have made over the years. This is the door that goes out to the lean-to where the air compressor is. This is one of the Corvairs I restored back in 2005. A friend of mine in Seattle area. Very expensive car project that we did. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll take a walk on down. This is my yard. Actually, I guess I'll take you over here where I'll show you where I've been staying for the last month. Yeah, this is a tent that I bought. Compliments of Farmers Insurance, of course. Didn't have a place to stay, but this is my little home from home down in here. This is the little cot that I have, the bed. Got a little TV. These are my daily positive thoughts that I say every day. And there's some clothes. A couple chairs. This is a green chair for Jessica. I have a blue chair. So that's that. Let's see if it can focus. This is my yard. Got lots of trees because I do like trees. I planted these trees when I moved here in 1997 actually. I planted them. So they're doing fairly well. Nice and tall and big. It's covering up my basketball hoop, which, that's too bad. But I'd rather have the trees than play basketball at this point. So, this is a trailer that Farmers Insurance brought on the property. And of course I didn't sign for it, so it's still here. The people are very upset about it that own it because they forged my signature on this trailer. Nice 32-foot trailer with 2 slide-outs. We'll go inside of that. I thought maybe I'd sure show you the little, I guess they call this a mother-in-law house. It's kind of interesting. I just have car parts in there. So let's go on down and kind of have you take a look at where my office is. This office used to be in the house, in one of the rooms. Computers and scanners and printers and webcam and all that sort of thing. So this all used to be in one of the rooms, which I'll show you, which is now empty. But this gives you an idea of the slide outs in this trailer house, I guess you'd call it. But this is where my friend Ted was staying until a couple of weeks ago. He moved out on his own. So he's no longer here. He was a confirmed alcoholic and probably still is. Tried to help him through some of his difficulties. That's his bicycle. Did some yard work here over the weekend. Pulled some weeds. So now we're going to head on into the garage. There's another green motorcycle. This is a desk I bought at a garage sale. It's pretty cool. $20, and it's an oak desk. This is the garage where I used to keep my nice Corvair. However, it's now in storage. And well, that's the big safe. So now we're going to walk into the kitchen. This kitchen's in sad shape. We had to pull up the floor. But here's some of the remnants of some of the carpet I'd like to put in the master bedroom. Looking over here, it has hardwood floors in this house, which I plan on restoring. I think that would be neat. Bring the value up in the home. There's the bathroom right there. Should probably turn the light on so everybody can see it, but your typical bathroom, actually pretty big. Here's one of the small rooms, which I think will be blue. Probably restore the hardwood floor rather than put in the carpet. We had to re-sheetrock this room. Of course, all this is done on my own money. Farmers Insurance wouldn't pay for anything. This room right here was a photography room. Did all my photography work in this room. Right now, still has the original carpet that I purchased the home with, this burgundy carpet, wine color. Of course, as you can see, there is no furniture here. This used to be completely furnished, this home. And of course, all was all taken out. Farmers Insurance scammed with Kennedy restorations. And so they now have all my possessions, all my personal property. This is some of the paint to paint the house. Unfortunately, I was able to had enough money to purchase the paint for the home. Here's the greens that I intend on using in the master bedroom. And I was inspired to do that from a friend of mine. Her name is Jessica. This was the computer room. I had a computer standing right over there in the corner. This is a nice little room for a business, for my business operations. I was in this room quite a few days and hours in the past. What we're looking at here is, of course, the master bedroom. Nice, big, spacious room. Double windows here, and leads to the neighbor's house over there. Looking through that window. This over here is the. This will be a bathroom for the master bedroom. So needs a lot of work, of course. But with no money at this point, it's difficult to do when Farmers is not being so nice about releasing those funds. So anyway, that's kind of the deal here. We're walking through the home and going out the garage. So this is kind of the photo, the picture opportunity. So anyway, hope everyone's doing good, and that's the tour so far. I guess I could take you over here and show you the front. There's the van. That's the van I went up into Canada with and didn't get very far, just across the border. That was it, but it's pretty spacious. Lots of traffic out here during business rush hours. The Subaru. And so, okay, I guess that's about it. There's the new meters that they just put in. Probably cheating everybody. Okay, so everyone have a good day, and we'll talk to you all later.